Rainy season in Florida has officially begun. It's been raining every day for at least a week, week and a half. And that means you have to dry out every one of your pillows because it comes in at every single angle, not just straight down. But we need it because that pond, or lake as they call it in Florida, is finally rising. Thank goodness. Out previewing homes for a client and stopping by to see past clients, making a few extra stops in between, and you want to make sure you get everything complete because the storms are coming. It is definitely rainy season.